English Grammar, Standard 5, Subject and Predicate. Now, what is subject? A subject is the person or thing that is doing an action, or the person or the thing that is the focus of the sentence. Now, the subject of the sentence is what or whom the sentence is about. Now, for example, the cat is sleeping in the sun. Now, here in this sentence, the cat. The cat is a subject. What is predicate? The predicate of the sentence is the part that contains the action. Now, see in the sentence, the cat. The cat is a subject. Is sleeping in the sun. That action is doing, no? The subject's action. So, the subject's action is a predicate. Is sleeping in the sun is a predicate. So a predicate is the part of a sentence or a clause that tells what the subject is doing or what the subject is. You and I are learning about sentences. Now in this example, you and I is a complete subject. You and I is a complete subject. Our learning about sentences is a complete predicate from the verb. Now, our learning is a verb phrase. Our learning is a verb phrase. So, from our learning about sentences is a complete predicate. You and I is a subject. Our learning about sentences is a predicate. The subject in a sentence means names whom or what the sentence is about. The subject does something or is or has something. Now, complete subject. Now, what is a complete subject? Complete subject can be a noun or a pronoun or a noun phrase. Okay, pay attention once again. Complete subject, not the predicate, the starting ones. The complete subject can be a noun or a pronoun or a noun phrase. For example of noun, Nikki plays a football. Nikki plays football. Now noun, Nikki. So Nikki is a subject. And action word is what? Plays. So plays football is a predicate. Now we are going to give the second example of a pronoun. We are going out for dinner. Now we is what? A pronoun. So we is a complete subject. Are going out for dinner is a predicate. Now we will learn about noun phrase. Now I can't say only my. My mother's name is Anupama. My mother's name is Anupama. Now my mother's name is a complete noun phrase. Pay attention. My mother's name is a complete noun phrase. I can't say only my. It's an incomplete subject. My mother's name is a full noun phrase. Is Anupama. Now my mother's name is a complete subject and is Anupama is a predicate. The subject does something or is or has something. Nikki reads detective stories. Now Nikki is a subject. Now you all have studied about the action word. Verb is an action word, right? So Nikki is a subject. Action word is doing something. Now what Nikki is doing? Reading. Okay, Nikki reads detective stories. Now tell me what is a subject? Nikki. And what is a predicate in this sentence? reads detective stories is a predicate. The next example, poisonous snakes have fangs. Now what will be the subject over here? Good. Poisonous snakes. Poisonous snakes is a complete subject. You can't say only poisonous. There should be a noun. Noun, pronoun. Okay. So poisonous snakes is a subject, and what is it having? It is having something. So what is it having? It's having have fangs. So have fangs is a predicate. A sentence may also have an object. Okay. The object of the sentence comes after the verb in the predicate. Now see, for example, Meghna washed her car. Meghna is a subject. Washed is a verb. Action verb, no? Action verb. So verb is an action word. Washed is a verb. Okay? Meghna washed her car. What is the object over here? Car is the object. Okay? So washed her car is a predicate. And what is the subject in the sentence? Subject is Meghna. In a sentence, the subject is a person or a thing that does the action. Always remember, in a sentence, the subject is a person or a thing that does the action. In the same sentence, the object is a person or a thing that receives the action of the subject. Now, in a sentence, the subject is a person or a thing that does the action. In the same sentence, the object is a person or a thing that receives the action of the subject. Now pay attention properly. For example, Radha feeds the baby. Now what is a noun over in this sentence? In this sentence, the noun is Radha. Now what is she doing? Action word. Which is the action word? Feeds. Feeds is the verb. And what is the object? Object is the baby. Okay. So Radha, noun, that is the subject. Feeds the baby is a predicate. The predicate is that part of a sentence that tells what is said of the subject. The object answers the question what or whom. For example, you can see in the picture, the boys played well and won the trophy. Trophy is what? The object. So object is the answer of the question what. Okay, so object is what? Trophy. Now in this sentence, what is the subject? The boys is a subject and action word played. Okay, so played well and won the trophy is a predicate. Now we will move on to a complete predicate. Now what is complete predicate? How, from where the predicate starts? Predicate starts from verb or verb phrase and all the words after the verb, as I told you all. Ram the tailor. Now see here. Ram the tailor is stitching my dress for the fancy dress competition. Now read the sentence properly. Ram the tailor is stitching my dress for the fancy dress competition. Now here, what is the subject? Yes, the subject is Ram the tailor. Okay, the noun. Ram the tailor. What is Ram? He is a tailor. Okay, so Ram the tailor is a subject. Now, as I told you all, complete predicate starts from verb or verb phrase. So here what is the verb phrase? Is teaching is a verb phrase. And verb is what? Stitch. Verb phrase is teaching. Now from verb phrase, the complete predicate starts. So is teaching my dress for the fancy dress competition is a complete predicate. So children, I hope you all have understood what is subject and predicate. Here I have given you all some sentences. Try it on your own, and one side the answers are given. Okay, first try on your own with the questions, and then you can counter check the answers after you finish the work. Okay, identify the subject and the predicate in the following sentences. The sun was shining brightly. Okay, now in this sentence, what is the subject? The sun. The sun is a subject, and was shining brightly is a predicate. So children, I hope you all have understood this subject and predicate chapter. Complete these question answers in your notebook. Thank you. These are the certain questions, 10 questions of subject and predicate. You have to do it on your own. Thank you.